back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the vitamins that I take to help improve my skin complexion, to help with my acne prone skin, which you guys know I have. So if you want to know about these vitamins, keep watching and we will dive right into the video. I actually take a total of 5 vitamins. So I do take vitamin D, vitamin C, fish oil, zinc, and vitamin B. And so all these vitamins do have specific nutritional benefits, but the 3 vitamins that help with improving skin complexion are vitamin D, vitamin C, and zinc. So I'll start off by telling you a little bit about what vitamin D does. So although vitamin D helps with boosting the immune system because of the antimicrobial properties that it has, it also helps with blocking the negative effects that acne bacteria can have on the skin. I think a lot of us sometimes ignore what vitamin supplements can do to the skin. And you know, when I started taking a lot of vitamins after COVID happened, because my mom had me take them, I started doing research to see if some of these vitamins could help with my skin complexion and appearance. And vitamin D happens to be, you know, one of those supplements that really does help with how my skin looks. The second vitamin that I do take is zinc. So the reason I take zinc is because it helps with decreasing the production of oils in the skin. I do have oily skin, FYI, very oily skin, and so I do take zinc every day so it can help, you know, moderate the oils that my skin produces. In addition to that, zinc helps with the reduction of bacteria growth into the skin, and it also helps and prevents blockage of pores. So it helps open up your pores and so they can get all the nutrients that they need to get to be able to get a clear and smooth skin complexion. The last supplement that I take is vitamin E, and it is an anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. And what it does pertaining to the skin is that it helps boost your collagen levels. So it helps with the production of collagen, which helps skin appearance, helps your skin look more youthful and more young, boosts elasticity, and all that good stuff. So that is pretty much it for those 3 specific vitamins. So if you do have acne prone skin, I do suggest that you do research on not only the products that you use on your face, but also look into supplements and vitamins that can help with just improving your skin complexion and addressing all those skin issues and skin problems that you do have. I mean, I know I did have to do research on that because seriously, I had reached rock bottom with my skin and something had to give. So I had to, you know, do research and see why vitamins do help. These 3 specific vitamins that I mentioned. And I feel good. My skin, I think, looks good and it feels good. And I couldn't complain. So I'm going to show you guys what those vitamins, well, I did talk about them, but I'm just going to show you how they look. So all the vitamins that I take are from Neutralite, and they come in bottles that look like this. This is the packaging. So that is it from you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was really informative for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.